In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to durable AI blog builder generate posts. 2025, step by step. First, head to Durable's website and click Build a Website. Create an account with your email or use a Google sign-in. You can explore without a credit card, which makes it easy to try before you commit. Next, let the AI build your site. Enter your business type. Think virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service. And add your location if you want that to appear in your content. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable produces a complete starter site for you, including a homepage, services, an about section, a contact page, plus images and copy to get you moving fast. Now it's time to edit. Click Edit to customize anything you see. For text, click on any section and type your own content, or use Rewrite with AI to quickly adapt tone and phrasing while staying on message. For images, click an image to replace it. You can upload your own visuals or choose AI-generated options. Aim for clear, relevant images that reinforce your brand and make your offer easy to understand. From there, tailor the design to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, buttons, and layout sections. Upload your logo and set your brand style so your site feels cohesive across every page. A simple palette and consistent typography go a long way in making your site look professional. Add pages and sections through the Pages area. This is where you can include a blog, FAQ, gallery, pricing, and a contact form. The blog page is perfect for publishing posts that educate your audience and help with search visibility. Keep your navigation clear so visitors can find what they need quickly. If you want, enable business tools built into Durable. There's a lightweight CRM for managing leads, invoicing to get paid, and appointment booking to schedule time with clients. Turn on only what fits your workflow to keep things simple. When you're ready to go live, click Publish. Choose the free Durable subdomain to launch instantly, or connect a custom domain on a paid plan for a branded address. Before you wrap, preview on your phone. Sites are mobile responsive, but it's smart to check spacing, headings, and button sizes so everything feels comfortable to tap and read on smaller screens. Finally, visit your SEO and settings. Edit page titles, meta descriptions, and business info to improve discoverability and clarity. If you're on a paid plan, connect Google Analytics to track traffic and performance over time. That's it. Your AI-built site, customized, optimized, and ready to publish, with a blog page set up for posts whenever you're ready to write.